You ever hear people talk like this? Ken la. I go there, then come back and think, wait, what language is that? Well, my friend, welcome to Singlish, where English plus a bit of everything else becomes pure magic. Singlish is not your normal Queen's English. It's English mixed with a bit of Chinese, Malay, Tamil, everything. It's how we talk in Singapore. Fast, fun, and super Shiok. You don't need to study for years to learn Singlish. It's all about how you feel. Feeling good? Say Shiok. Want to confirm something and just ask can or not? And if you want to add emphasis, throw in a la, lor, or le. Simple, right? So where did this Singlish come from? It's the perfect blend of Singapore's culture. We take a bit of Chinese, like Kiasu, scared to lose, add some Malay, like Makan for eat, and sprinkle some Tamil, like ayo when you mess up. You sure you still following, Don't blur like Sotong, okay? Keep watching, we got more coming. But here's the thing, Singlish is more than just mixing languages. It's how we express ourselves, connect with each other, and make Singapore, Singapore. Whether you're angry, happy, or just a bit bored, Singlish always got your back. So the next time you visit Singapore, don't shy, okay? Try some Singlish. Who knows, you might even start saying la by the time you leave.